On Friday, June 1st, 2018, the Penn Building Corporation will be having an open house at 414 Champery Drive, Osceola, Indiana, 46561.
My name is Mr. Crooks. I am the construction trades teacher and the building trades teacher. So I teach kids how to build things, basically. Some things are out of metal, some things out of wood. The building trades class, we build a house from start to finish. So the open house is this Friday, June 1st, and it is from 5 to 8 p.m.
The open house features house number 49. Students have been working on the house since the beginning of the school year, and even finished ahead of schedule.
One victory every year is that we completed the house, and it is ready for sale at the moment. We have it currently listed at $245,000. I'm going to say the drywall. Hanging the drywall was the hardest part. It's cold, and it's difficult to do with lots of clothing. But I love the framing side of the project. When you see the house from wall to wall, day to day, take shape, it changes every single day, and it's pretty neat to see. It passed all the rough inspections, and I'm currently waiting for my final inspections, which will be next week.
The class worked very hard on the house and did a great job. They also developed personal skills this year and worked well as a team.
So this year I liked the class. They were a very strong class. They were a class that worked well together as a team. And the kids that were strong in some suits made up for some of the kids that weren't as strong in other places, and they worked well as a team, and I was very pleased with how they did in the house. It turned out very nice. I am glad this year's done. It's always that way.
Penn Building Trades Corporation had a successful year once again. Be sure to check out their 49th Victory House, number 449 at 414 Champery Drive, Osceola, Indiana, 46561. Reporting for PNN, I'm Carson Muma, working with Abby Sink.